Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you don't know what the thing said, people. Dancehall pop star queen Shenseea has finally broken Instagram silence since this viral rumor about Drake and getting her pregnant and wanting her to dash away the belly like whole outer order of champagne puppy. One fit with dancehall pop star queen Shenseea for fling with pitnini. But nevertheless, this rumor came at a coincidence, I should say, because it was the same day that Spice was performing Good Morning America and Wendy Williams and all of these things, you know. So it wasn't really a good look at on her. But we seen Dressmaker Boy and Russian make a statement about that. Also, she breaks her silence one day after Jada Kingdom signed a major record label deal, the biggest for any Caribbean female artist. You know, she signed to Republic Records. You feel what I'm saying? Her label mates is Drake, Ariana Grande, and the late Pop Smoke to be, you know, for examples. You feel what I'm saying? So a lot of people is looking at this post and crying because a lot of people lost a loved one, a mother, a father, a son, a daughter, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, dog, cat. You feel what I'm saying? Someone lost a loved one, and we all know that Sheng Yang and Fia mother was very close, you know, and she took the time out, you know, 24 days, you know, since her last post to say, wish we had more time. Yes, people, I don't know if this is the anniversary of her, you know, when her mom passed or, you know, but me know she miss her mommy, you see me, but a lot of people that's not a part of the Sheng Yang crew is saying other things like, I just got a DM, people, I'm just a messenger. Feel what I'm saying? And the person said King, so all of that is going on and fans waiting for a response from Shen. She comes with this. We all know she misses her mother, but I think she is looking pity and trying to drift fans from the Drake drama. Now, people, you know Shenseea is my girl. Regardless of what no one say, maybe it or me this and that. You know? So, who looking at me as Shenseea's biggest critics, it's safe for Una to say that what I'm about to tell you is 100% factual, you know? People, Dressmaker Boy is the one to be blamed for that rumor. It had nothing to do with Shenseea. It had nothing to do with Shenseea's new management. I'm not 100 on that aspect, but since Dressmaker Boy was the one to put out the statement after Russian, I'm pretty sure Russian figured out who was the brains of this operation. You see what I'm saying? So if anybody's supposed to be blamed for this Drake rumor coming out on the day of Spice's Wendy Williams show to try and take away the shine, it should be this bitch right here. You feel what I'm saying? And in reality, people, if we put all the pieces together, your sister Dressmaker Boy has no association with Shenseea whatsoever, more than whatever music, pre-release music, they haven't put out, you know, and if she blesses him with a one show, because honestly, Interscope Records doesn't want nothing to do with Dressmaker Boy. He was only hanging around Shenseea because she was putting up the bill, and because she's the artist, she's the star, she's the one that needs the entourage, you feel me? And Dressmaker Boy, he wants to be more than an entourage, he wants to be a bigger star than Shenseea, and that's conflict of interest with the label, you know. And plus, everything is being paid by Russian's credit card, you know. So this is why you see Dressmaker back at home doing what he normally does, you know, hosting parties. Yes, because you never made Shenseea famous, you never made TJ an artist and Ding Dong just a blood clot dancer. You see me, I say, with good lyrics. But nevertheless, people, we are going to fix Dressmaker Boy. No worry on yourself. We are going to fix him up properly. Trust me. You see me, I say. But let's proceed with the next one.
How y'all been? How y'all been? No man, as me come like 4,000 people, wanna miss me? Wanna miss me? If you don't miss me, type so don't miss me. Wanna miss me?
Spice, what kind of bumbleclaw question that if we miss you? If we miss you. Spice, a whole heap of things we have to talk about. You see me I say? Yes, people, you don't know the things yet. Spice has finally went live after all of these Rastaman stories. You see me I say? But you don't know the things yet. She wasn't trying to talk about the Rasta. She was talking about some dance competition things. You see me, I say, and you know I wasn't having that. You feel me? You see, I made a promise to my followers, my subscribers, and you know I like to keep my word. That if Spice ever to go live, send me the live feed so I can ask Spice if you still skinning out the pussy for the Rasta man. I'm not gonna front, people. I didn't get a chance to ask that question because it didn't look like she had my type of crowd. You feel I'm saying? These look like mature. I mean, no, not saying mature. But nevertheless, people, I did ask her about the Rastaman. Yes, so let's take a look. See me right there, people. Look, me ask Spice. Are the Rasta that me here in the kitchen? Question mark. People, I asked this question in, I think there was over 6,000 people that you see me I said, yeah, because we the fans need answers, and I'm not a vlogger, but you know, me need to go straight to the source and ask them. You know, we don't want to put out allegedly and hypothetically speaking, and you see what I'm saying? Look at her looking at the comment right now, you know? And she's avoiding it, and people in the comment section are telling me for move and lift up and all of these things. But I bet she said if me bomber ass get something with Justin and Spice saying that them not together again, them are the first one to reach the comment section and the page, you know? You see what I'm saying, people? I'm different from these sucker Jamaican vloggers, you know. I don't go around on Kingmixup channel stealing content and things. You see what I say? Me not use fake page and ask nobody nothing. I use my real page. You see me, I say? Me a boss, you feel me? So, like I said, people, I'm just giving that update on Shenseea. And, before I forget to tell you, Spice is going back to the Rastaman. Yes, you heard that. She is going back to the Rastaman. And y'all gonna see this in a couple of days. People, you know my industry insiders, them different. You feel I'm saying? So mark the bomber cloud date. I'm gonna want to see me Ras Clad fucking content on the Sockwood Jamaican vlogger page, you know. I'm not gonna chuck off and drone. Sorry about that, people. You know I got temper issues. Hit the like button, subscribe, press notification bell, hit all, cause we dropping another one. You feel I'm saying? And latest in dance, bless.